Hi guys, as you can see here, these are most of the parts that put together I need. All those parts equals to this. I already had this part assembled, so I have similar parts here, so I'm going to show you how I put this one together. That way we can go from there on. As you can see, this one has a ball bearing. Same thing, ball bearing. Then you have a Lazy Susan. Goes here. It will be attached with 4 screws. I believe there are different sizes. Some of them are 3/4 of an inch, like this, 1 inch. Yep, 1 inch will do. But some of them actually pass from one part to the other, so it secures it. So let's go back to the beginning. And this part here is where the motors rest. From there, we are securing a 1 gear. We are inserting the rod, which is basically the leg. Once we have the leg secured, we are placing this gear there. And I need to screw. Once I attach those, I will insert these 2 pieces, secure those pieces in there, the motor, the servo sensor for positioning. This gear goes first, and as the gear rotates, it will rotate this one where the sensor, where the potentiometer is going to be in. So whenever the gear moves, the potentiometer is moving as well. And that's how you know your position. Once those are in, attach these 2 pieces. Then this one secures back. In this fashion. Insert. Insert. There. There. And then you secure these 4 long screws and bolted with locks, nuts. And these 4 screws will connect to the upper part of the leg. Then after that, you will attach these parts, which is the lower foot. And this will be another video. So let me put this together. I will not need any of this yet. So I'll put them on the side. I will need this, ignore this. And I will not need the motors as of yet either.